Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create equalizer preset for your earbuds Sony. You have to start by open Sony Sound Connect application and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu as I have. Right here in the second line we have equalizer and you need to click on it. Now we are in the sound and we have a few options how to create equalizer preset. The first one, we can modify one of the presets, like normal presets. Let's say we can modify bass boost or something else. So I select vocal preset and let's modify this one. Click at the settings icon and now let me change this one, or let me increase basses, and as you can see vocal now changed to manual. So if you click OK, you will have this changed preset in the manual. The same if you, let's say, select another preset. Let's move to the bass boost and trying to modify it. I want to increase more basses or increase this one. We click OK, and now this manual preset use this one. Also we can find equalizer and it will replace custom to preset. So let's change also a custom preset. We have two presets. You click at the settings icon and right here you can make preset for you. Let's say I wanna this one. Then you just click OK and you saved this preset. You create a new one and now you can use it. If we return right here, now we can select manual or custom one, it's up to you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.